One button lang. Okay? So, pag i-click ko ang restore, magiging maximize button siya. Pag i-click ko ang maximize button, magiging restore button siya. Okay? Okay. Next. Kaya ang nilagay, maximize or restore. Diba nakalagay? Maximize / restore. Next is toolbars. Now, toolbars, they contain a variety of buttons that can perform frequently used operations and tasks in Excel. Point on a button to see a screen tip. Drag their handles to move them around. So, as I illustrated last time, so meron tayong toolbars. No? There are actually two toolbars. Dalawang toolbars yan. Hindi ba indicated dito? So, you have the first toolbar here and the second toolbar here. You notice? Dalawa yan. No? So, the first toolbar, the name of the first toolbar is called the formatting toolbar. Okay? Take note of that. That is the formatting toolbar. Itong toolbar nito. This is called the formatting. Ay, no. Sorry. Like that. It's not the formatting. That is standard toolbar yan. Standard toolbar. Okay, toolbar. Now, the second toolbar naman is the formatting. Okay? Ay, kaya pala. Kasi baliktad. Baliktad to eh. Supposedly dito yan. Taas. Yan. Okay. So again, the first toolbar is the standard toolbar. The second is formatting. Now, our standard toolbar contains the standard buttons. No? Standard buttons are used in most Windows applications. No? So, for example, meron tayong new button, meron tayong open, save, meron tayong print. Diba? You notice? Now, if I'm going to open another application like Microsoft Word, tingnan niyo yung button na to. The same, di ba? Yung toolbar na to. So, kaya tinatawag siyang standard toolbar kasi most Windows application has that toolbar. Meron siyang ganyan. Ano? So, dyan yung makikita yung pag-save, pag-open ng document, pag-print. Okay? Kaya tinatawag siyang